Alrighty boys, I did a little worky here. So this is typically my winter format for vehicles. I've done this for the last several years with project vehicles. These are the tow dollies, these guys right there. And I put the vehicle up on them and I turn it sideways. So this year is a little bit different. I never had that rack before. That rack I use for stuff, and I usually put like my welder and everything underneath it. I got it pulled out right now. So I'm a little bit short on room. I might try to rearrange some of that stuff so I got a little more room. But I'm working on the Ranger today. I'm going to start working on it. So what I did a long time ago when I was trying to run 10s in this truck, and it went 11.0 at 124. And it was kind of a running joke because I said I was going to go 11.0 and break it. So I went 11.0 and I actually hurt the trans that day. I still have to swap the trans out. It's been okay as long as I don't get into boost in third gear. It will hold and run well, but it starts to slip in third when I get into boost. So that's not what I'm doing right now. What I want to do, because I'm daily driving this thing now, and I usually leave for work about 4 to 4:30 in the morning, and right now it just has a straight 3-inch dump pipe right from the turbo. That's the exhaust. So I did have this thing on there before, but I chopped it off because I was worried about restriction of airflow because I was trying to go faster with the truck. Cutting it off didn't do anything for me at all, so I'm going to weld it back on. What I'm going to try to do, honestly, is just take exactly how it is right here, pull the wheel off, and just try to weld it back on. So that's why I got the welder here. Let's try this. So we'll do a little bit of a before and after. So this is with the 3-inch dump, and I'll do a before and after clip. I'm going to start it up and yeah, we'll see how much quieter it is. I kind of forgot, to be honest, how much quieter it is. So let's hear it. There it was running with the 3-inch dump underneath it. Now we'll run it through these little guys and see what it sounds like. Alright, so if I remember correctly, I have a threaded rod in the back, and then I'm going to pump this thing up here. Threaded rod is just welded on just to hang it there. So this might be a challenge. Let's see. Honestly, what is not a challenge these days? You know what I'm saying? Guys, so I'm going to do the Humpty Dumpty here. Humpty Dump. And I'll try to stick this rod in the hole over here. So there's 2 holes to put the washer on and the nut. Alright, so that's kind of hanging now. See if it's in the right spot. It is not even close. So I'm going to try to put it in the front hole. Alright, so I feel like I got it lined up pretty good, where I might just be able to prop it up with a jack stand and weld it in place on the front. Okay, so here it is. You can see it down on the bottom there. But this is where it was cut off before. Now I got it lined up pretty decent. I can probably get it a little bit closer and then I'll weld it. And here's the after sound now that I got it all welded up. It's hard to judge in the garage, but it sounds a little bit quieter, much deeper sounding. It's not as high as it was before, which makes sense because it's longer. There you go, all done.